This is an instructional video to show you point A all the way to Z of getting onto Canvas. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google, and you're going to Google CCSDUT Canvas. And it will pull up the website that you put your information into. And when you click on it, you're going to put in your student username and password. Now, this is for biology, and we're going to take a specific look at biology. But I want to make a quick note before we get started. If you come to this page and there are no boxes on this screen that you're seeing here, that means that you have not highlighted them or you have not made them favorites. The way you do that is you click on Dashboard, you click on Courses, you click on All Courses. Now, once you click on All Courses, it will pull up everything you have. Make sure to star the courses that you want to appear on your dashboard.
So I can unstar the ones I don't want.
So right now we're unstarring MCH Cutler Sandbox. And now notice when I come back to Dashboard, it's gone. So if you don't see the tile there, that's why. So you're going to find biology and click into biology. And once you're into biology, it will look like this. Sorry, we have to go to student view, which I just did. So there's student view here. On the left-hand side over here, you have home and modules and assignments. Then you have recent announcements. This is where Miss Maxwell and all of your teachers will post what it is you need to do exactly. On the right-hand side of the screen, you have your to-do over here. These are things that you have to do in order to get your grade for the course. Now, if the question is, how do I access the material? Here's what you do. Let's say the first thing you're doing is protein synthesis. Now, protein synthesis, this is a module, and this is, actually, I'm going to go back really quick. This is an actual unit. So this protein synthesis is under modules, and it says protein synthesis here. This box is the entire unit. This typically is the first lesson. This is the second, third, and so forth, all the way down to the last lesson. The due dates are also, take important or careful note, the due dates are right here underneath. Now there's one other place you can go that is just as useful, and I'm going to show you right now. You can come over to Calendar, and when you click on Calendar, it will give you a link of all of the assignments you have due on that specific day. So today you have an assignment due called What is DNA? So if I click on What is DNA, it will pull up this box, and I can click on the top part that says What is DNA, and it will take me to the actual assignment. I can also, if I'm on modules, take a look at the first one here. So we have protein synthesis presentation and DNA. And so right here we have protein synthesis and what is DNA. And I can click on these links to get me into it. So let's do protein synthesis. I'm going to click on protein synthesis. And when you come into protein synthesis, it will look. So notice on this page you have a link, and the way we know this is a link is because it is blue with an underline. That means it's a link that you can click on. So when I click on this link, it will pull up the protein synthesis PowerPoint that Miss Maxwell put on her website. Now, you can only view this, but you can take notes from it. You can do whatever you need to do. There are some important things. Well, on this particular assignment, students are going to be...
That's just watching it.
Oh, you're just going to go through and take notes from this. That's all you're going to do. Now, when we come back to this site here, you'll see that that's all you do. You're going to take...
It's not asking for anything.
It's not asking for anything. You just take notes. Now, let's come back to modules. And once that's done, it'll be done. Then you click on What is DNA, which is due today. And you will see, again, all of these blue, oh, that is the wrong one, all of these blue links. These are links that you need to click on in order to get the information. So the pre-assessment worksheet. If we click on the pre-assessment worksheet, it will pull up this pre-assessment worksheet. Now this is an incredibly important part of this tutorial that you need to understand. You can't ask for Miss Maxwell to let you edit this. What you have to do is click File, and right here, when we click File, you will see this lovely grayed out make a copy right here. It is grayed out because if you notice on the right hand side of the screen, it says sign in right here. I have not signed in, so I cannot make a copy until I sign in. So I'm not going to sign in right now, but what you can do is click the sign in button, sign in with your student username and password, and then you can come over here to the right hand side and this make a copy will be available. You click make a copy and it will make a copy to your Google Drive and you can edit it there. Once you are done with that, you'll fill out this worksheet and then you'll come back and you'll say, okay, I need to do this Google Slides.
Same one.
It's the same one as the one before. And then you'll say, here's this Quizlet that I need to do, and you'll click on the Quizlet and it will take you to the Quizlet. And you're going to go through and study these words. After you're done studying the words, you're going to come back to the assignment and you're going to take the quiz. The quiz down here, all you do is click on the quiz. And again, it's saying access denied for me. But wait, the reason why it's denied is the quiz is not available yet.
Why is it not? It should be.
I'm sorry, we just barely made the quiz available, so we click on what is DNA, and when we want to take the quiz, we click on it and it will say take the survey or take the quiz, and you can come in and start taking the survey or quiz, and you'll submit it at the very end and you'll be done. That is the lesson for today. Now, when tomorrow comes, you're just going to come down to March 19th, which is tomorrow. March 19th, again, the date is right here, March 19th, or I would strongly suggest you go to calendar and you look at March 19th and you'll see DNA transcription and you can open up the link from there. Once you have that link opened up, it will open up on March 19th. As you can see right now, it is not opened, but you will do whatever it asks you to submit an assignment. Now, if you're submitting an actual assignment or taking a picture, on this page, on the right-hand side over here will be something that says Submit Assignment. You click on that and you find the assignment in Google Drive and everything will work. You'll be able to upload it and Miss Maxwell will be able to grade it. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please post. Go to the home page. Go to the home page and take a look at No Access for You or Common Questions. If you have questions, go to Common Questions and click on it. And once you get to this page, at the bottom you will see Reply. You can reply and you can type in your question and Miss Maxwell or I or any other teacher for your class will answer your question here. Now, if you come here and there's a question that you have that another person has asked and you see it there, make sure to like that so that we can sort it by likes. But you can get your questions here. This is where you're going to say, hey, Miss Maxwell, I don't understand this, and Miss Maxwell will respond to you and you can find it here. Again, if you have any questions, come here with that, or you can email Miss Maxwell or your teachers. Good luck with this. We're here to help you and have fun.